Sanjay Dutt,
Really
sir.
great.
Yeah, sir. Here, here, sir. Sir, you select always a good roles and entertain the audience. What was the reason and what was the exciting point to accept this movie, sir?
You've answered the question yourself. You know, I
What was?
love to entertain and I love to make the audience happy. This character is a very amazing character with a lot of shades. I mean, he's. I can't tell you the story, but yeah, I mean, it's a great character to play, and the relationship he has with his wife and with Dhruva, and it's beautiful. That's why it's a unique story, and when I met Prem sir, तो मुझे ही प्रेम हो गया प्रेम सर से.
No. Sir, you have a long journey in the film industry. When you look at the back, what do you feel? What exactly you ऐसा महसूस होता है मेरा जर्नी देख के आपका जर्नी से?
अब ऐसा जर्नी देके महसूस होता है कि मुझे ऑडियंस से इतना प्यार मिलता है और उसके लिए आई थैंक गॉड कि आप सब लोग इतना मुझे प्यार करते हो, इतनी इज्जत देते हो, ताकि मैं 40 तक 40 आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी 45 इयर्स आई थिंक तक टिका रहा हूँ. यू नो, थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द लव. थैंक यू.
Shilpa ma'am, here ma'am, here, look at ma'am.
I mean, see, I mean, yeah, Chandralekha was, Nag is a very, very close friend, like a brother. And he asked me to do it, so I did it. And of course, Ram is such a wonderful boy, and he is also like a really like a younger brother to me. But I mean, it took me so much time क्योंकि आप लोग ने बुलाया नहीं यार. आप बुलाओ मैं आ जाऊँगा.
Nag. With Nag. 4. Nothing great came up. And then I stopped working because then I got married and I had children. So I'd anyways reduced on the number of films. So I became a little selective. The reason for me wanting to do a film is that it has to excite me. And that is why I agreed to do Satyavati's part in KD. The film overall, and it just can't be only my character, the film has to be entertaining and, massy. I've always been a massy heroine, and it's the masses that has made me. So I always try to do things that, appeals to the masses. So my selection of movies will always be based on that.
Do Telugu movies. Now you're okay to do
I have
Telugu movies?
always been open to do any kind of cinema. It should just be interesting.
Okay.
For me, not as an actor, but as an audience first.
संजय
So,
सर
yeah.
संजय सर यहाँ पे सर अभी आपने बोलते बोलते बोला कि यहाँ से क्या लेके जाते बोलते बॉलीवुड में पैशन लेके जाते बोल के बोले थे सिनेमा के लिए. बॉलीवुड में यहाँ से क्या लेके जाते घर को बोले तो तुम पैशन लेके जाते सिनेमा के ऊपर का बोले था. सिनेमा के ऊपर जितना पैशन यहाँ पे है वो बॉलीवुड में मिस हो रहा बोल के. तो क्या मिस हो रहा है सर एग्जैक्टली बॉलीवुड में? आप क्या देखे? आप इतना सारा जर्नी है आपका.
मुझे ये दिख रहा है कि जब मैं रॉकी जब 1979 में बनी और तब से लेके मैं इंडस्ट्री में रहा हूँ एंड मैंने सब लोगों के साथ काम किया. धर्म जी के साथ, अमित जी के साथ, संजीव कुमार साहब, दिलीप साहब, सब के साथ और बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम किया. उस वक्त उनके लिए पिक्चर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थी. उस वक्त उनके लिए स्क्रिप्ट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट था. म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट थे और हर आदमी का एक से होता था स्क्रिप्ट पे। आजकल हम लोग के वहाँ क्या हो गया है कि पेपर पे स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखा जाता है, पेपर पे नंबर्स लिखे जाते हैं। यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
एग्जैक्टली।
And that is what is missing, and I wish it comes back. The passion, the drive for cinema, the passion to work. कि मतलब कि वास्तव में मैंने I worked continuously for 3 days without sleep.
वाओ।
That was the passion from Mahesh Manjrekar also, from me, from everybody. तो वो सेट कंप्लीट करना ही था और हम लोग को मज़ा आया करते हुए। That's what I mean.
सर आपका एक ही दिन में राजा साहब और दुनियादार 2 भी एक ही वन डे रिलीज, सेम डे रिलीज हो रहा है।
सेम डे रिलीज हो रहा है, मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि ना हो। I'll try because everybody should get a chance.
सर साउथ सिनेमा में आजकल जो वर्ल्ड सेट हो रहा है, एक सेटअप सेट हो रहा है, सेटअप जो अभी केडी में एक नया एक एरा दिख रहा है। आप जो केजीएफ के थे, एक वाइकिंग्स का गेटअप में एक सेपरेट वर्ल्ड, एक सेपरेट सेटअप दिख रहा है। ऐसा एक एक मूवी में एक एक सेटअप दिख रहा है। तो इसके बारे में आपका क्या राय है सर? ऐसे सेटअप बनाना, एक ह्यूज स्केल में बनाना।
बहुत अच्छी बात है कि एटलीस्ट हम लोग ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि एक अपना यूनिवर्स बनाए, अपना एक वर्ल्ड बनाए। एंड हाँ, केजीएफ में आपने देखा है, एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक हॉलीवुड ने कैसे मार्वल बनाया या अवेंजर्स, क्यों नहीं हम लोग कर सकते हैं? वीव गॉट ब्यूटीफुल टेक्नीशियंस, वीव गॉट अमेजिंग डायरेक्टर्स, वीव गॉट अमेजिंग एक्टर्स, एंड वीव गॉट एवरीथिंग। सो लेट्स ऑल ऑफ अस, आई थिंक the full industry from all over India should get together and make one explosive film, and Hollywood को भी दिखाना पड़ेगा।
Mr. Dhruv
सर
Sajja.
संजू सर,
Mr. Dhruv Sajja.
सर संजू सर, सो अभी जो यंगर जनरेशन है ना, अभी पिक्चर में आ रहा है ना, यंग जनरेशन, तो उसको आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं जी? अभी जो एक्टर्स, आने वाले एक्टर्स अभी जो है ना, आप इतना
भाई
देख लिया ना सिनेमा का।
भाई मैं यही मैसेज एज अ सीनियर कहना चाहता हूँ। नंबर 1 इज़ कि पहले तो एक अच्छा इंसान बनना बहुत ज़रूरी है। पहले एक अच्छा इंसान बनो, मेहनत करो, पैसे के पीछे मत भागो, क्योंकि जितना आप पैसे के पीछे भागोगे उतना वो पैसा आगे भागेगा। तो पैसा is not the only thing. It's your performance, it's your work, it's your dedication. And I think they should follow that, क्योंकि हम लोग जैसे ध्रुवा ने कहा, it's not a, we all have gone through our very low phases in our life to reach where we have reached. तो मतलब कि ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि 3-4 पिक्चर आ गए फिर आदमी गायब है। You got to stay here for, like Amit ji is there. Like, all of us, 40 years, 50 years. Look at Chiranjeevi sir, look at Rajni sir. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Dhruv Sajja. Here, Dhruv. Yeah, here. So, Dhruv, right now the pan-Indian release is a very common thing for almost all the films releasing in any of the industry. Thanks to Bahubali, almost it completed decade today. So, how do you think that KD will fit that pan-Indian release kind of, not only because of the casting, the subject and the connectivity and the relatability of the subject. At the same time, how do you look at yourself being a pan-Indian actor, connecting to the all set of audience, could be regional or the rural audience?
So the subject itself is universal thought. So it can be related to everybody. And I don't want to become a pan-Indian star, nothing. I just want to be a character in that movie. So if it really works, everybody will watch me, and that is how pan-India movies works. So I think I'll just go with the directors. I just want to be a director's actor. So I'm not running behind becoming a pan-Indian star, nothing like that, sir. I just want to be a director's actor. That is what I'm focusing on. Thank you.
Dhruv Sajja, here sir. यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
Your belt is nice, sir.
Hugo
Belt.
Boss.
Boss.
Yeah, sir. It is Hugo Boss
Okay.
company. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, what was the toughest part in the movie, sir?
fight sequence, sir. I just want to tell you, I have worked for 6 movies, sir. I have seen 3 actors who will not see monitors after they, after the shot. One is Arjun Sarja, that is my uncle. Second is Rashmika Mandana, she won't see monitors. And third is Sanjay Dutt, sir. Actually, Sanjay Dutt, sir, was not well. And there was a sequence hitting the bottle to the head. He did thrice or 4 times, I think. Yeah, sir didn't see the shot, and I was next to him. Director, all of a sudden he came and he was like, "Baba, horrible shot, Baba, horrible shot, Baba." And I was like, okay. Baba was like, okay, Anna, that is not horrible, that is phenomenal, he's trying to say. So, see, actually, we thoroughly enjoyed the shoot. Frankly, my director is the hero of this movie, genuinely, because he actually, ma'am, you remember, he used to show that, hey, Ingvarro, he used to enact our character, and he used to show us, this is how you should act, this is how you should look. So copying him was the difficult thing in the entire movie, sir. So I enacted his character actually.
Arjun Sarja is the great action hero. What kind of support and suggestions given for you, man?
Only 3 things he have told me, sir, in the initial days. Not to lie, not to cheat, and be honest. That's all he taught me, sir.
Director, sir.
That is the biggest lesson. Yeah, he taught
Sir,
me that, sir.
In
Director, sir.
action part, sir?
Director,
Action
sir.
part.
In action part, he is very, very strong in technical ways. If I do 2 flips also, he'll say, okay, do monitor, do rehearsal, please practice. Then on screen, if I'm not doing properly, he'll be the first person to correct me saying, why don't you try single hand flips? So that is how he does. And if he can't do, he'll only show us, come, like this, man, like this, it's easy. I was like, okay, you should still practice. So he's my all-time godfather and inspiration, and he's my idol.
ఆయన డైరెక్షన్లో ఏమైనా సినిమా చేస్తారా?
Definitely, sir. Definitely, if he gives opportunity, definitely will work, sir.
గుడ్ లక్.
సార్ ప్రేమ్ సార్, ప్రేమ్ సార్, డైరెక్టర్ సార్తో, డైరెక్టర్తో మాట్లాడతాను. ఇక్కడే ఉన్నా సార్. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ಸರ್
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಬ್ರದರ್.
ಸರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಸರ್ ಸಾರ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್
ನಿಮ್ಮ
ಯು.
ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾರು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ,
ನೀವು
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಬಂದಾಗ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಕರಿಯ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬ್ರದರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್.
ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.